I was literally delivering pizzas for Domino's. Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. We're commemorating our 100th lot sold by looking back at some of our prior deals. And the fourth lot we sold was actually one of these three houses back there. So I'm wearing Vinny LeCavallier's number 4 today to commemorate that. And anyway, I was delivering pizzas for Domino's. I've had my real estate license since 2004, and I went bankrupt during the crash. And back then, 2014, I was just trying to make ends meet and also keep my eye out for different opportunities. And I just started working with some builders, and probably one of the first couple deals that we put under contract was this one. They had a for sale by owner sign out in the front yard, and when this family purchased the property, they actually had what they thought was 6 lots, and it was originally platted as 6 lots, but there were some different changes to the zoning code back in way back in the 70s and 80s, I think it was, and it had cut what they had down to 4 lots. So the family only wanted to sell half the property, which would have been 2 lots without a rezoning. So what we did, after showing them some comparables and also talking to them about the ramifications of the rezoning process, we partnered them with a builder who took on all of the risk of the rezoning. That's something that takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of money, and about 4 to 6 months later, they got their final approvals, and behind me now are 3 beautiful homes that were built around 2015, 2016. One of them is actually on the market today, and we really dramatically changed this neighborhood south of Gandy. So anyway, thanks so much for watching and hearing a little bit about the 3rd, 4th, and 5th lots that we sold at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. I'm Rob Wilson, the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty. If you've got a lot or property that you'd like to sell to a builder, give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199.